morning, students. Our next concept is functions. Okay, see, function is a special type of relation. We know, right, what's the meaning of relation? Relation is the subset of the Cartesian product. Again, function, it is a relation. That means function is a subset of the Cartesian product, but it's a special type of relation. See the definition of the function that says, let x and y be two non-empty sets. That means at least one element they have. A subset of x cross y. See, subset of a x cross y. That means subset of a Cartesian product. Clearly, it is a relation, and that relation is called a function if and only if the following condition holds. There are two conditions there. First one, see, for each x belongs to x, there exists y belongs to y such that x comma y belongs to f. Okay, that means for each element of the first set, see, Cartesian product defined as x to y. That means relation from x to y. Okay, relation from x to y. See, each element of x, that means every element of x, there exists y. Okay, there exists one y belongs to y such that ordered pair x comma y belongs to the function f. And second condition, see, elements of x should not be repeated. Okay, if you write the element ordered pair x and y, see, that element of x should not be repeated. See, I will explain definition with the diagram. Here we'll take one set x, here we'll take another set y. Okay, and I'll take elements 1 2 3. Here I'll name a b c. Then I'll draw arrow mark from 1 to a, 2 to b, and 3 to c. Okay, now see, for each x belongs to x. See, 1 for 1, here you can find y, right? That is a. 1 comma a is there. 2 comma b is there. 3 comma c is there. See, for each element of x, here you can find y, right? See, 1 is paired with the a, 2 is paired with the b, 3 is paired with the c. Okay, and see, element of x should not be repeated. What are the elements of x here? 1 2 3. Here there is no repetition, right? So this function is, so this relation is a function from x to y, and that is denoted by f from x to y. Okay, function, okay, f such that x to y, we read it as function f from x to y. Next example, I'll take set a and take set b. Okay, here see, I'll take a b, here 1 2. Then a is related to 1 and b also related to 1. Okay, check whether f from a to b is a function or not. What's the first condition? Each element of x must have y. Okay, see, here a is related to 1 and here b is related to 2. So ordered pair a comma 1 is there, ordered pair here b comma 1 is there. Okay, b is related to 1 itself. So each element of set A have element in set B. Second condition is elements of A should not be repeated. Here only one time A is there, only one time B is there. So this is an example for function. Okay. Now consider some more examples. Here set AB. Okay. A, B, C, D. 1, 2, 3. Take A is related to 1. B is related to 2. C is related to 2, T is related to 2. Okay, then take the second example. Take set A and here take set B. Okay, A, B, C to 3. A is related to 2. Again, A is related to 3. B is related to 3. And C is related to 3. And take the third example with the set A, B, C, and set B with 1. A is related to 1, B is related to 1. And take the fourth example with the set A and here set B. Take set A, B, and here 1, 2, 3. A is related to 1 and B is related to 1. B is related to 3. B is related to 2. Okay. Now see here F from A to B. Here also F from A to B. Here F from A to B. Here F from A to B is there. Check whether this relation is a function or not. Okay. The first example, see, A is related to 1. A has one element in B. B also has one element in C. B also one element in B. C also one element in B. D also one element in B. Okay. If you write the relation, what you will get? A comma 1, B comma 2, C comma 2, and D comma 2. What's the first condition? First condition is every element of A must have elements in B. Check. First element A have element in B. B also have element in B. C also have element in B. D also have element in B. First condition holds. What's the second condition? Second condition is elements of A should not be repeated. Here see only one time A is there. Here only one time B is there. Here only one time C is there. Only one time D is there. So two condition holds. Therefore F is a function. Clear? Okay. First condition is every element of A must have elements in B. Okay. Second condition is elements of set A, not B. Here see elements of B repeats. That's not a condition for function. Elements of A should not be repeated. Here see elements of A, set A, only one time A, only one time B, only one time C, and only one time D is there, right? So F is a function. Check the second condition. See, if you write the function A is related to 2, again A is related to 3, then B is related to 3, also C is related to 3. What's the first condition? Every elements of A must have elements in set B. See, A is related to A has element set B, element B has element in set B, element C also have elements in B. First condition holds. But what's the second condition? Elements of A should not be repeated. But here you can see, right? 2 times A is there. See, elements A is related to 2 elements in set B. That condition is not possible. Okay. Every element of A must have elements in B. And the second condition is elements of A should not be repeated. But in this example, see, elements of A, that is element A repeats 2 times. Okay. So F is not a function. Okay. See the third example. Here A is related to 1, B is related to 1. Only that two relations are there, right? You can see the arrow mark. See, A is related to 1, B is related to 1. Check whether this F is function or not. First condition, every element of A must be related to elements in B. But our observation, see, element C is in A, right? Element C is in set A, that is not related to any elements of B. Okay, C has no element in set B, therefore F is not a function. Okay, F is said to be function. Condition is every element of A must have elements in set B. Okay, every element of set A must related to some elements in set B. But here our observation is one element, that is C in set A, that is not related to any elements of the set B. So this is not an example for function. Okay, take the next example. Here see, A is related to 1, B is related to 1, B is related to 2, and B is related to 3. Okay, in this case, see, every element of A is related to elements in B, right? A is related to some element, B also related to some element. First condition holds. But what about second condition? Second condition says elements of A should not be repeated. But what is your observation? Here see, B repeats how many times? 3 times B is there, right? That means B is related to more than one element of set B. F is said to be function. That means elements of A should be related to only one element of the set B. Okay, but here see, B is related to more than one element of the set B, right? Or here B repeats 3 times. So this is not a function. F is not a function. First condition holds, but second condition fails. Second condition says elements of A must be not, elements of A should not be repeated. But here our observation is one element, that is B in A, that repeats 3 times. So F is not a function. Now see some note. If x comma y belongs to F, one ordered pair in function F, then y is called image of x. Okay, y, second element, is called image of x, and x, that is first element, is called pre-image of y. That means, see, suppose I am taking two sets, see, x and y. Okay, a function is from x to y, and take relation 4, 6, 8, 10, and here I'll take the element A, B, C. Here see, I'll take 4. 4 is related to A, 6 is related to B, 8 is related to B, and 10 is related to C. Okay. Now see, what are the possible function F is equal to here? 4 comma A, then 6 comma B, 8 comma B, and 10 comma C. Clearly it is a function. Why? Every element of set X have elements in set B. Okay, yes or no? 4A, 6B, 8B, 10C. Second condition, see, elements of the set A should not be repeated. Here only one time elements of X is there. Okay, so F is a function. In this C, here we say that 4 is called, here A is called image of 4. See, in the ordered pair x comma y belongs to F, y, second element, is called image of x. Okay, and x is called pre-image of y, and we denote image by f of x equal to y. F of x equal to y means image of x under the function f equal to y. Image of the function x under the function f is equal to y. So here see, 4 is called, here A is the image of 4, B is the image of 6, and here again B is the image of 8, here C is the image of 10. Then you can say that f of 4, image of the function 4 under the function f is equal to A. Image of the function, image of the element 6. F of 6 means image of 6 under the function f is equal to B. F of 8, what is the meaning of f of 8 then? Image of the element 8 under the function f is equal to B. Then f of 10, that means image of the function, image of the element 10 under the function f is equal to C. Here A, B, C. image set equal to A, B, C, right? Only 3 images you can find. Okay, so clear image means in the function you can find ordered pairs. In that, the second elements are called image of the element of the set A. Okay, then what are the pre-image? Pre-image of A equal to, see, in xy, x is called pre-image of y. Pre-image of A equal to 4. Pre-image of B is equal to, you can find 6. Also you can find 8. And pre-image of C is equal to 10. Okay, this is all about image and pre-image. Just remember, in any ordered pair xy belongs to F, y second element is called image of the first element, and first element is called pre-image of the second element. Okay, then see the second note, function f from A to B, then A is called domain of f. Okay, so first set is called domain of the function f, and B is called codomain of f. Okay, second set is called codomain of f. The set of image of f, set of all image of the function f is called range of f. Range we studied in relation itself, right? Set of all second elements of the ordered pairs in a relation is called range. Here, set of all images. Set of all images is nothing but set of all second elements, right? Okay, we called it as range. Okay, see, in function we are using three terms. Domain, a function f from x to y, then x is called domain. Y, second set y is called codomain. And set of all images, that means set of all second elements of the function is called range of the function f. Okay, in this example, see, what is domain? Domain equal to first set, that is 4, 6, 8, 10. X is the domain. What is codomain? Codomain equal to second set, that is A, B, C. Okay, what is range? Range means set of all images. What are the image set? That is A, B, C. Okay, so in any function f from x to y, x is called domain, y is called codomain, and image set, that is set of all second elements of the ordered pairs in a function f. Okay, we called it as range of the function f. Take some examples. Take function a to b, function a to b, 1, 2, 3, 4, a, b, c. 1 is related to a, 2 is related to b, 3 is related to C, 4 is related to C. In this case, see, what is domain? Domain equal to first set 1, 2, 3, 4. What is codomain? Codomain means second set. What the second set? A, B, C. What is range? Range is image. What's the image of 1? Image of 1 equal to A. Image of 2 equal to B. Image of 3 also equal to C. Image of 4 also equal to C. That is range equal to ABC. If you write the function f, what you will get? 1 comma A, 2 comma B, 3 comma C, and 4 comma C. Just seeing the arrow marks, you can write the function. Okay, take the second function. Here take x and here take y. 1, 2, 3, and A, B. See, A is related to 1, B is related to 1, C is related to 1. Clearly it's a function, right? Every element of the set X has image in set Y, right? A has one image, B has one image, C has only one image. Okay, then f is equal to, what's a function? A comma 1, B comma 1, and C comma 1. Okay, then what is domain? Domain means the first set. First set is A comma B comma C. range. Okay, next write codomain equal to the second set. What's the second set? 1 comma 2 comma 3. Then range means set of all images. What are the image second elements? Here you can find only one second element, that is 1, right? So range is equal to 1. Okay,